Do you want to know what a TikTok Creator Fund is and how much money you can make as a smaller creator on this platform? In this video, I'm going to explain everything about the TikTok Creator Fund, and I'm going to show you my income after being part of the TikTok Creator Fund for 1 year now. If you want to learn more about social media and creative photography, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video each Thursday. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as I just mentioned, I've been part of the TikTok Creator Fund for almost a year now, and I just wanted to give you a quick review like what it is and how much money a really small TikToker like I have like 70,000 followers on TikTok, can make. But just to give you a quick heads up, I'm not a crazy TikToker. I don't see it as like my job or anything. I just post one video around every 2 weeks, which is really less for TikTok. And my videos are received quite okay, I would say. I have around 30,000, 40,000, sometimes 200,000 views. I think the most views I ever got were around like 2 million. I don't want to say anything wrong, but I think that was like the most I ever got. So I'm not like the most famous person and I don't have crazy much views, but I just wanted to give you a really quick insight in how much money I gain with like the couple views I get. But first of all, let's talk about what the Creator Fund actually is. So the Creator Fund is a way to support the creators on TikTok, which is really awesome. And basically they launched it in July 2020, I guess, and it was first only for the US people, and in October, it was around October, they launched it in Europe as well. And they basically said that they have a fund of 230 million pound, which is around 270 million euros for the next 3 years for all the creators in Europe. And they set a couple of criteria which people they fund. So first of all, you have to be based in the US, UK, France, Germany, Italy or Spain. You have to be over 18 years old. You have to have over 10,000 followers on TikTok, which is quite an amount of followers. But if you have like one semi-viral video, you get to the 10,000 followers pretty quickly. That's what I experienced at least. And you have to have over 100,000 views over the last 30 days on your account, which is quite a lot. So you have to have kind of one viral video to get there. And of course, you have to fit the guidelines and the terms and conditions of TikTok, so have not inappropriate content, etc. And last but not least, you have to have a creator or business account and TikTok, which is completely for free. And I would actually recommend it to anybody because you have more analytics there. So if you fit to all of the criteria, you will get a notification in your notifications which says you're now eligible to apply for the TikTok Creator Fund, etc. And then you can go through it step by step and register for being part of the TikTok Creator Fund. So let's get to the juicy part of this video. I'm gonna show you how much money I made over the last year with the TikTok Creator Fund. So let's go on settings, on creator tools, and on a TikTok Creator Fund. And you will see I made 26 euros and 60 cents. Yay! So most of you probably say, oh my god, that's so less money. How can you still be in the TikTok Creator Fund? You hardly made anything. I would say, yes, I didn't make much money, but I made it kind of for free because I would have posted the TikToks anyways. And to be fair, I didn't post many, that's what I want to say. Like, I didn't have a continuous posting. Sometimes I posted 3 per week and then I didn't post anything for a month. So it was kind of my fault. So just for you to have a quick overview, you don't make crazy much money with TikTok, but if you're eligible to apply for the TikTok Creator Fund, I would do it anyways. Because I mean, if you're posting TikToks, you might as well get a little money out of that. And even with my set 26 euros, I can still have a dinner with that, which is good. But you should have in mind that if you're not like the top creators on TikTok, you're probably not gonna make a living out of TikTok Creator Fund. Which is okay because it's still a social media app and you can leverage it in different ways as well, where you can get money as well. So when we're quickly scrolling through my income here, you can see at some days I didn't make any money, probably because I wasn't posting anything, which was over the last 2 months where I was traveling and I was not active on social media. And on others, I made around €1 or €2 a day, which is okay, I guess. And it's always depending on how viral or how many views your TikTok gets on that day. I also calculated how much money I get per 1,000 views, and it's around 1 cent per 1,000 views for my account. I think other TikTokers get even more. Maybe it's depending on how active they are, how much comments they get in the comment section, what subject they are talking about. But for me, it's around 1 cent per 1,000 views, which is really less. But as I said, I'm not doing it for the money. I just want to have like a community I want to create, and I might as well post it on TikTok as well, which is a really fun platform, and I enjoy getting at least a little money out of that. So there you go. Now you know how the TikTok Creator Fund works and how much money a small creator without a lot of effort made in 1 year on TikTok. And my plan actually is to get more active on TikTok, to post about like 5 times a week with different content pieces. And if I do that, which I'm planning to do in November, I will do another video on how to create content for TikTok, and maybe I'm doing an update about how much money I gained when I'm more active on TikTok with the TikTok Creator Fund. So if you're interested in that, subscribe to my channel. The videos are coming in about a month. And if you're watching this in the future, which you probably do, you can check out my account. Maybe the videos are already updated if you're interested in that. Until then, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button if you did, and I see you next Thursday. Bye!